Hello, people. Apparently there's a keybind system. Let's remove that. Bad. Oh. Please work. We should all hope that this would work. G. Oh, wait. Oh, that's also toggle sprint, apparently. But, oh, that works. That definitely works. Can I scroll? Scrolling is reversed. Let's fix that. That would be this value. Where is it at offset here? Make it subtract offset. Oh. Yoink, and watch, it's gonna magically be. Hey. Yeah, that makes sense. So you scroll, and look, it's all of my friends. I should preferably make this right-sided, shouldn't I? Yeah. This is the Friends GUI that I'm working on in HCC, boom. I have a feeling that if I scroll down, it's just gonna reset me at some point. Once I get there. Oh my god, I have so many friends. Oh wait. No, yeah, it still definitely hasn't wrapped yet. There's Tabor. Wait, has it not? Oh, okay, here's the end. Oh my god. Yeah, no, see, it just wraps. And then we can make it so that if draw Y is greater than bottom, offset equals 0, which we can contract these into one block using an OR statement. Oh my god, all this knowledge. Hey, oh, that's bad. I can't scroll. Oh, well, no, I've broken it. If draw Y is greater than the... See, this is called good commenting. I'm gonna check it right out. Alright, you can scroll again. Oh, no, what? Oh, if it's greater, that should work, no? We're just gonna take that check out of there and cover that up so it looks nice. If draw Y, it just has Kotlin config. Yeah, you're just bad. If the down. So this is the final rendered position is. We want if the initial rendered position is less than that, which the initial rendered position is that. We want if this condition is, which we can do up here, because we don't have to wait for that to start drawing to be like, oh no, yeah. Draw Y is greater than bottom, offset equals 0. Still gonna, oh, that's gonna break things though. Nah, it's still gonna have to wait till the next tick. So offset referenced again after this. Nah, it's fine. So yeah, now if you scroll all the way down, yeah, okay, if you scroll all the way down, it just like brings you back. Which I actually don't like. I would rather it. It'd be kind of cool if it like didn't do that there. But let's make this. So yeah, you can like search a repo. I actually need to move this. Where does it start? Oh, is this? I'm infinitely stuck in here. Oh, until I hit G again. Got it. So yeah, until I hit G, I'm stuck in here. Sweet. It's gonna be like, boom. Yeah, see, I'd rather this start. If I can determine how many columns I'm gonna have before I even start drawing, then I can set the last column here and add some X offsets, so it looks nice. Because look, all of this info just like isn't being, all that isn't being used. Why don't we just shift this over? Let's also add some alpha blending. Before we do that, GUI.draw rect 00 resolution util.current width time. Oh, is this the, yeah, alright. Oh no, that's fine. Dot current times factor current height dot stat. No, why is that unhappy? Color, right? New color 0, 0, 0. Where to go? That might be like, that might be really aggressive alpha blending actually. Oh no, that's fine. Make everything dark. So can we determine it? Yeah. Is the HyperX client compatible with all mods? So it's going to be a forward version, but we're not guaranteeing compatibility with everything in when you use HCC. What is the oh, this is the we're gonna just do some random meme code. Oh, column width. Yeah, we have that. And calls equals 0. We'll draw X plus column width times calls is greater, is less than friends block dot get right calls plus plus. So this should, in theory, if I can code somewhat decently, that should tell me, that should be printing out 3, right? 4. And then here it said 5. And then right now it says 3. Alright, so we're just gonna need to boom. It should tell me 3 now. Yo, what? Oh, that doesn't actually. Alright, yeah, calls minus equals 1. If calls is less than, greater than 0. Calls is less than or equal to 0, because there's none, we're just going to return. Because it shouldn't try to render anything if it can't. So there we go, we have 2 columns, 3, 5. Let's see, we can make this like as wide as we want. We can have like a dozen. Boom. At what point does it, oh, I need to find the point like right before it, like air. So yeah, this is gonna be for people with a large friend list. We also need to move the top down. Where's the, actually, where does it set this? Y. Y is the last parameter. Height. Height is 20. It starts at 25, so 50 is when it should start. Or is this? This should be 50. I don't know why it like was. There's like a lot of space, so I think I just changed it. But that should move everything. Yeah. See. Now it like does all this properly. Well, I want to be able to see my old animations wings. Yeah, we don't know about that. because this is like a different project and we will be monetizing on our own platform likely. Is there any way I can join? Join the Discord for it. It's linked in mine, and then talk to some people. Alright, let's see. The next thing we need to do is... I mean, I've never done MCP and I'm getting along just fine. What's the code? It's literally the first program in the description. Like, oh my god. So, alright, we're gonna remove this. Friends block dot set. We're gonna where is this GUI block? We're gonna just make setters for all these. Setter. Sure. Everything go. Now we're just gonna set the left to that times the amount of columns. Yeah. Friends block dot set left. Resolution dot current width minus calls times column width. It's a typo.
I have an idea you can mail, so you click on a name on the friends GUI you can see. Different actions you can make FX,
yeah,
invite them to a party or message them.
That's already planned. Thank you for the donation. Oh, we need to, that's awkward. Yeah, it's not gonna let us reboot. We need to reload. Yeah, that was already planned. Will there be Optifine? Yeah. That's already planned to have options to do that, and like things like chat messages. What computer to use? I have a custom built workstation. Wait for them to load. It's hopefully going to be faster for you guys because you don't have a ridiculous amount of friends. Oh, what did I do? Oh no. Why is there just like one dude here though? Oh. And then this should definitely have, this had 4 before, didn't it? It's, yeah, it definitely did. If I comment that out, what happens? Oh, that's just like, this is what it was before, wasn't it? That's also just off the screen. Let's see. Let me just like comment that out and see what happens. You see, I would love if this just like did all of this same thing but just shifted over however much space is here. Makes sense. We're gonna do the janky thing, which is for I call equals GUI.drawRect. Left is gonna be, what should the left index be? What, E times column width 5 plus whatever the offset is. What is it? 5, yeah. think I realized why that didn't work, but I just want to make this work. 5 times E times column width. The top is going to be friends block at top. The right side is going to be 5 times 5 plus E times column width. Actually, E plus 1 times column width. And the bottom is going to be friends block dot get bottom, and the color dot white dot get RGB. Just for debug purposes, just going to draw. That doesn't help me. Right, because the edges are just all white now. But it does tell me that this is trying to draw a column here, but it doesn't have enough space because it doesn't have a full column. Got it. It doesn't need to be less than... Oh, wait. Okay. Draw X plus column width times columns is less than this. Increase the, Rip Technoblade Live, yeah. Blame Streamlabs. What happened? What? Why would he add keymod and keystrokes? I don't know, because people want it. That's kind of the whole purpose of this. See, this is rendering columns that don't actually exist. Because if you look here, there should not be anything here at all, right? Ideally, if we get the algorithm to work correctly, it doesn't show anything there. Can I even get it? I can't even get it so that it won't. Because this is good, and B is less than 1, let's say. That should just do 1 unit. Yeah, it does this. What if we do the calls minus equals 1 thing like this? Does that work? See? Okay. So we want this entire block shifted over, I don't know, however many pixels this is, just so that... Or can we center it? I don't know about centering it, actually. But, because there's going to be something here, right? The display just, it isn't active yet. Right, but once there is something there, we're just going to put something there. If what's selected is empty, selected.add, friends.get. First person in the array, so what was that? Oh, this just should be shifted over, but it's not. Okay, that should be that. That fixes that. I might also fix some of the other issues. But, see, that shifted everything over. Ooh, this is rendering people here. That should not be happening. See, I need an actual way of, like, if I can accurately determine how many columns there are. Where am I drawing this from? Left. No, where's that GUI draw stuff? Garbage down here. We're just gonna do, what? Names block dot get right plus that. There we go. That. We need to also shift over our thing. But that didn't work. Oh, we need to include names block plus 5 on the other side as well. Or this onto the right side. Oh, wrong thing. That's Twitter. Alright. So this is where it should be rendering. And this is where it actually is rendering. Oh, more GUI fun. And I just do like a color dot rant. Is there like... how many rows am I gonna have? I don't know, it could be like 3 times. We'll just do like 100 times E. 100 times E. 100 times E dot get RGB. Hopefully that built some sort of gradients you can actually tell. Oh look, it's Rapid the Nerd. Oh, that's just gray, right? Because and I crashed it. Welcome to GUI development. Why did that crash? Can we have the answer? Color parameter. Oh, that actually makes sense. I'll just wrap these in a math.min call. Debugging at its greatest points. Oh look, I tried to debug and I crashed my application. This is all Rapid's fault. Alright. Just remember that. Rapid, everything is always Rapid's fault. Oh, look, you can hold shift and fix your high pixel session. I don't know how cool that is. But alright, this is where it should be rendering the names when they load in. Question mark. Give it a second, I just rebooted my game. Brought your code's off the screen by miles. Your fault. Wow. So yeah, these are the blocks that it's attempting to render in. Why isn't it adding some dude to it though? Oh, it just did. I don't know why that took so long to run that code. No? Alright, well. Well, now it's just like all messed up. And it's trying to render people out here, probably because I don't know why it's starting to render there though. Let's look at the start code. Because it should be rendering where the black thing is, right? But it's not. I hate Quig. Good. Remove that. No longer. Whoa. Okay. This actually doesn't need to be a thing anymore. Because we no longer check there and try to re-render. We just manage everything up here. Oh, we need to delete that and then delete that. See Levelhead doing a thing. Woo, Levelhead. Let's see. Friends block.get left. Draw X. Alright, let me just, I don't know, let me just recompile and see if this, yeah, why is, it's like an extra column over. And E is the number of the column that it's on. Let's do this. Friends block.get left. These aren't the same thing. Okay, they are. So in theory, this should be working. What if we do it at the end here? It might just be the render method. No. Oh, they are. Okay, yeah, they're different, but that's kind of expected. Hey, sponsors. Yeah, because if it didn't end on the same thing, what would it do if latency clickbait's HCC? I disable it for him so we can never use it, or we preemptively do that. Cool. What is X? X is the offset plus the left. Oh, that might be why. We need to do... This is why. Minus friends block get left. Because it's all relative to the actual block. Right? Yeah. Alright. Yeah, okay, now it's hugging the left side, which makes more sense. So yeah, here's all the people that like you're selecting, and then here's all the people you're not. But we wanna... Let's move these over by 5 pixels each. What's the best way to do that? Just move the left block over, probably. Yeah, that's probably the best option. Move the left side of the block. So the friends block is the right plus... I'm gonna make it 15, actually. These... Alright, yeah, this is better. Especially now if we remove this stuff. Yay. Now we need to do the part. The questions that you guys have been asking that I'm not answering are most likely in the description. Put a huge black box on his screen and say access denied. That'd be pretty funny, to be honest. But yeah, the search thing, this box is annoying me that it does this. So we can... I have to stop it. Last equals scaled resolution dot current. Resolution util dot current. Where's the init? I'm gonna move this all to a method called repack UI. Just do buttonless.clear. Oh, it doesn't even do anything right now. And on update screen, resolution. I'll rename this the last resolution. If last resolution dot scaled width doesn't equal current dot scaled width, last resolution dot scaled height doesn't equal current dot scaled height, or we're gonna check the scale factor because why not? HCC is the Hypixel community client, yes. Look at how fast this loads. Boom. See that rating? Welcome to, that's my ranked Skywars rating. I know it's like trash. Please don't bully me. Oh, alright, psych. I love scrolling through all the armor stands. It's a null pointer. Oh, that's... Oh, we need to... That's... That'll keep that constantly centered and everything. We also need to make the width. Make like a bare minimum of that. Or we can make a fixed size of 200, but who likes that? I mean, you guys are, if you want to, you're free to figure out, clone it, and then figure out how to use Gradle. That might be a fun time. See, now in theory, if I rescale it, yeah, this button just like moves. But why isn't this dude being added? Alright. If selected, that is empty. Why does this not work? Well, now there's a million kids on it. There's a bunch of these dudes. So the plan is you right click to remove that, you left click, and you get the options down here, right? That's what this space is for. So you can like add to party, or if you control click them, shift click them, like that kind of stuff. All right, so we need to work on click detection now. That's gonna be fun. We can do this the super janky way. Do we do it the super bad way of making a map every second? Let's see. I'm gonna get in Discord with Developer. Can you Discord call? We need to confront another developer. I'm gonna take the fact that he's not answering as a no. Let's see, yeah, you click, every scroll is like 1, right? Not quite. Can we make every scroll 1? 11 times. Oh. Boop, boop. Now it's 1. Now it's 1 to 1. I was like guaranteed 1 to 1 and won't vibrate. Oh, that's nice. You have a lot of friends. It's kind of sad. One of the issues if they want to sort it. Alright, how can we do the sorting? Sort by rank? Yeah, we can make it sort by rank. Let's work on the sorting first. Or next. Public void sort, soft sort. I'll make it enum sort, friend sort type. Public. Alphabetical, rank. What other sorts do we want? Date added. Online and offline friends can't do that, unfortunately. we can't. Why can't we? Because you just can't. Like, there's no way of us being able to tell if 1,000 players are online client side with any sort of accuracy. First of all, it wouldn't even work for staff. So staff would always show us offline, and even then we'd be, if more than 1,000th of a person is using the API, it would just die, or using it, would just, the API for it would die. Look here. Do I have it in here? Probably not. Wait, maybe actually. No, we need to go down. Where's Fred? Not much. Oh, here, yeah, this. Once this loads, I'll show you what info we have. Yeah, let's see, this is what we have. Name, rank. Yeah, so.
Anyone wanna play Fortnite? Also HyperX XSK1 or 69XX winking face.
Hello. We're gonna actually need to make comparables. Whoops. That should work, right? Yeah. I don't know if remove does here. It does remove if keep order Java. I don't know if it does.
I still wanna be a spaceman, explore a distant land, as we contemplate the credible, unfold the master plan.
I might switch out for a linked list actually, depending. Have I heard what happened? Yeah, I did. Yeah. O1.get name.compare to O2.get name. Oh, look how great that is. Rank. O1.get rank dot compare to. That's not gonna work. I assume you want it to be stored at like ranks down, right? Let's think. This is what date added. Yeah, we can be like O1.get. Get. Why is get added on a string? Hello. Make this a big one. We can just be like, ooh. Long dot value of O1.get added on dot compare to. Well, it's probably very not good. That'll work. Nope, it's warning me. Oh, yeah, that's probably better. Yeah, that should work better. Compare. Alright, this one's not happy though. Yeah, my mom just brought me an apple. So, let's eat that. Here, we're gonna make a new method. Public int rank ordinal. Put rank ordinal. Switch data dot top string rank. Probably a better way of doing this, but oh well. Do you want to do that? Yeah. Case moderator. I don't want a break statement after that. Ord equals 2 break case helper. Ord equals 3 break. YouTuber, Ord equals 4, break, case, MVP, ooh, wait, I don't know if I can put MVP plus plus. If not, I'll write the patch. No, it doesn't look like I did, but I can go write that patch right now. I have retrieved my laptop, so that's a quick patch. I can't write it on here because I don't want to accidentally show something from my website. But, wrong thing. We need this high pixel player. Get rank for mod. MVP. Get formatted. Look at the get formatted name. That does MVP plus. What's premium? Alright, yeah, that's what we need to do. Else if get root dot op string that return MVP plus. That patch is done. Build. Send that off to my website. And uploading SSH skier website end. Alright, that should be done. Hopefully that worked. Alright, yeah, that worked. Ordinal equals 7, return, alright, break. VIP plus, or it is not. The reason we're doing this in the constructor is that we don't do this every time. Every time we need to compare it, because that would probably just be really inefficient. Although this probably isn't the best way, I don't know. Case MVP, none. Oh, it equals 10. I'm gonna actually just make this Lord equals 11. You can store that instead of in the JSON object. We will make this that. And we'll just return it. Word. Now we can return integer dot compare L1 dot wrinkle L2 dot wrinkle and all. So here are the sorting things. Which version of JR or whatever? Java 8. Random build. There. I don't know if you can read that, but I have Java 8 build 150, Java 8 151 build 12. Actually, I want to see where do I want to put this button? Probably gonna put it in the top right, but I just want to double check. Or cosmetics will you be able to buy? I don't know yet. Alright, let's see. We want something, yeah, up here, top right. We can use our fancy new button API. Register, or we're gonna call it sort. What does it need? GUI button, new GUI button. Next ID, what does this need? X and Y, resolution, and scale to width, divided by, I'm gonna make it 100 wide. Height is gonna be 20, of course. Width is going to be 100, height is gonna be, or Y is gonna be 3. Actually, I wanna make this. X, we want to make this one is 103. X, Y, yeah, alright, 3, and make this text be short by, this might need to be longer. And then we just need 2 quick things to get this going, that, and I just butchered that really hard. Oh, that shouldn't be a thing. I'm deleting everything today. Alright, so this is called on click. We're just gonna make a private sort type like that. Sort type. I'm just gonna make the, oh, what am I doing? What did I just do? Oh, I clicked on another. There, so none. And then we don't want to call this every tick though. We only want to call it when it changes. hopefully, what, sorting 1,000 elements. Even if it takes 10 milliseconds, that's gonna hurt performance a lot. Song, it's only. Ord plus if ord greater than or equal to sort type dot friend sort type dot values dot length ord equals 0 and sort type equals that. Whoops, we want the value of that ordinal, and then we want...
yeah.
Hello. Check my stream, I'm adding sorting to the GUI. This is on render. Button dot... Look at how hot this is. Equals... Sort... by this... I would just call it... sort type dot name. Okay, so... I'm not gonna leave that. We're gonna leave it like this.
We managed to get the add-on system working. We're quite proud of ourselves, I'm not gonna lie. It took us like 5 hours.
Yeah. Why?
I don't know, it was a painful process. It was like to add auto GG and stuff.
That's why Lilton's bad.
Oh god, that was a painful, like, 5 hours of our day. Can you, thingy that to the repo?
For me?
What?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's see if the sorting works. Here's the thing that I don't want. I have 1,000 friends, and I want to know if every time it sorts, it's gonna stutter my client for like... Oh, it looks like it is. Look at the fire in the background. It might be. Actually, no, it's not. That's surprising. That's soft.
I'm watching your stream.
It needs to be sort by. It's not how you spell soft. Or sort. Sort. Also, we need to make this button white. Why would you... Who thought it was okay to make buttons completely transparent? Whose idea was this?
Cube, not me.
Cubics.
Hello, Cube.
Well, this button is completely transparent.
Wait, what? Completely?
That would be cubes.
I mean, I guess this works, right? I'm super hosting MVP pluses, and then MVPs.
My god. You're so rankus. What's up with your friend list?
What? I have a full page of nons.
Oh, yeah, you've got a good few noms. How many MVPs do you have?
I don't know, literally everyone with MVP.
My push was rejected.
Lol. I wonder if this is the opposite order that we want. Actually, maybe not. No. This is probably the right order, right? I don't actually know. I don't know who the first person... I guess it was Grox18 that I haven't removed. You're No, yeah, this makes sense. I remember friending these people recently.
Can't redo it.
Oh, well, Quick has fake YouTube rank. Quick's prefix on my website is YouTuber, so it just carried over in-game. Build team's not a rank, it's a prefix, can't be asked. So yeah, we now have sorting. This actually isn't... To be honest, I was expecting this to be a lot harder in the CPU, sorting 1,000 things. Because, you know, even if it only took 30 milliseconds, I thought that would be a lot, but it caches it, so it updates, what, every second or so? Yeah. Right? Where's that method? Yeah.
Kevin, do you want me to just upload them through the website? Just directly?
Of course, my dude. What? How come when I store by date added it does this? Oh, there's probably an invalid thing is right there, isn't there? Time to find that, dude. Unless there's just like something that says success true somewhere, and it makes me really sad. That's probably what that element is, actually. What are you doing? Jeez. Time. Colon space 0. No, it's not. No one has time of 0. Does anyone not have time? Let me here. You guys are gonna help me. If you see someone that doesn't have time, you screenshot it and you tell me their name. It's a great game. I'll give you audit to premium if you find it. If one of these does not have a time thing in it, like you see this time, just like tell me their name and you're right, I'll give you some reward. Thank you for the donation.
Did you see the stream? Lit10C was crying and then started saying I'm pressing charges. He also said most of the things you said in Lit10C exposed video was right. Also, can you add GIF 8F backquote S less than 3?
I can, yeah, and I did see that stream. I had no comment on what he was saying. Let's see. Oh my god, we're not even a third of the way there. My attention span's short on this squirrel. I can't deal with this. So cool.
Yeah.
What made you decide to use Kotlin?
Gonna be honest, it was mainly Kevin's idea and I just went along with it, but I started to like it. So, all the getters and setters being generated for you is a really nice feature.
Modern auto-generates getters and setters for you?
Intellij.
Exactly. Can you even make variables private in Kotlin?
Yeah.
There. Oh, right. Your hotkey system, I don't know. Does your hotkey system activate in a GUI?
It does. It's V, I think, by default. And it does, yeah.
How come
Yeah, you might want to check if it uses, like, the GUI screens an instance of GUI chat.
No. Check if... Well, GUI in-game focus.
Oh yeah, shit, that checks all the GUIs.
Do that now, actually. I added the add-on example to the GitHub as well.
How come my debug command, which is G, calls the toggle sprint check?
I have no idea.
Also, what's the thing to make it sure that is pressed? Is that the thing that activates once and then doesn't?
I was actually confused about that as well. I'm not actually sure why it's always active.
Because
I'm just calling it Minecraft coding.
Are you setting active to be not true? After one tick?
It's not.
Oh, I dropped an apple on my keyboard. I don't think you've ever heard that sentence before, have you? Like apple juice on it now. I don't know. It's tragic.
Hey, dude.
Send it again. I got denied. Sure. There you go. Purchasing custom level head supports the everything. Literally. Support Kevin's ego. Buy custom level head today. You are now friends with Jif. What do you guys think of my config system, Kevin?
Oh yeah, it's great.
Do you think it's hot?
It is really hot. I literally love annotations. When did that actually become a thing, annotations? Is that Java 8? 1.8?
No, are you kidding me? @override's been a thing since Java 3.
Oh my god! Okay, that's awkward.
Right? Hold on. Override, I'm pretty... Since, sorry, Java 5. Java 5 release date. Probably before you were born. Alright, maybe not. Java 5 SE was released 2005.
See, I'm not too bad.
You're only a decade and a half behind. Nah, never turned on music. Oh god, I'm getting blinded. It's the time of year where if I'm sitting in my room, at this time the sun just bleeds down my eyes. I also can't see now, right? I love how they use an annotation in other annotations at Target. Look at this code. How does the compiler even understand this? Look at my, do you have my stream open? How does it know what target is before it registers it? Right? No? Our song request on no. Apexay API object. Let's see, what else do we need? Talk to people is impossible if you play Minecraft. No, they just also need to play Minecraft and then it works out.
I had quite a bit today. Off on the to-do list.
What is HCC? High Pixel Coder Club Community Client. Same thing. So guys, what else? So beside add-ons. Beside add-ons, did you guys work on anything? Oh, no closed chat. Someone implemented that today?
You're welcome.
Well, I mean, I asked Hecker if we could. I sent him a 4 PM and he didn't even get back to me, so that's awkward. It's like, yo, can we just skid, I was like, can we skid you, yo? He's like, he just didn't get back.
Nice.
Optifine.
I also want
package
to
Optifine. Who wants to package Optifine?
Oh god, no.
Can we just load it at runtime? Is that a thing?
I think it can still be injected into Optifine, but we have to say,
well, we need
it's like a 50-50 chance.
Well, we might just have to package Optifine.
We could.
That'd be so bad. This thing's gonna be like 50 megabytes by the time we're done.
That's
Quick
fine.
play. Oh, I'm not even done with my friends list thing.
Well, so you want added?
Alright, so we have the sorting done. What else do we need to do? Right, we need to be able to add people to this group. To the group of children over here.
Right, go on. I'm judging you curling right here.
Alright, so here's the thing. This is what I wanted to ask you. Can I just make a list that has like however many friends you have? Every frame it generates a new list that is just like the boxes of all these people. So when you click, it just iterates through all of them and checks if you clicked within one. Please, pretty please.
Wow.
It actually wouldn't even be that bad. I'd only do it if it does a rendering. It would be pretty memory intensive, maybe. Actually, I mean, it's only a few thousand integers a second. A few 10,000. So what? 4 bytes times 10,000. It would be like, you know, 20 megabytes a second, maybe, of RAM. Actually, that's a lot.
Oh, only 20 megabytes a second.
Does that mean you're going to want me to do actual math for clicking? Because I'm just dropping this. I'm git deleting if we have to do that. Deleting the GitHub. Alright, I'm going to do it my way and see how memory intensive it is. To be honest, I can always just get one of you fine developers to fix it.
No. You up for that?
Let me just tag our head developer.
Oh, fuck. Who's head developers? Is that me?
That was a joke.
It's Cube now. No. You're not even co. You're just a member now.
Me?
Yeah. I'm joking.
Look at this good code. Boom. Oh, wait. Boop.
Have you made that rapper yet, Cole?
Alright, look at this. Look at the. Did you see my GUI block and how it works for this GUI? Did I show you guys this? It basically does HTML style things where it scales a block. You can make a block. You make a block with a certain size, and then like you draw text to it, and you can make it scale the box depending on the text. So that like you give it a list to basically just render a bunch of stuff to it, and it just can scale the box to however big that is. So you can like dynamically reference it for like moving stuff over super easily in GUIs. It's all relative. My phone's one is cheaper of a Hypixel. Except like the entire name of that's a scam. We don't even stop.
Message you on Discord, Kevin, about that.
Oh.
No, Kevin.
Oh my god, you sent nudes? Wow.
Why did you create on your get? We've literally got like.
You asked me to. Do you want me to use yours instead?
No, use the HCC GitHub.
You just said delete them, and then...
I need a new thing.
Not like...
I'm making a new
not
class.
our HCC repo. I'll create it for you, Cole.
Alright. I'll delete this one then. I mean, I was thinking my GitHub would get some published.
He tried. What's her name at HCC Adam repo?
Yeah.
If I'm just gonna name it HCC Adam, that looks really bad.
Why are you... Adam? What are we doing with Adam here?
No, add on.
Oh, that's you're like... We're doing Adam... Oh, what?
Adam! Not quite.
Up. GUI box item. Hello, wanna work? Oh, that's blocks. GUI box item. GUI... Sure, we're gonna call this places. boxes. Friends. Those boxes. What do we call this?
Oh, that's what you meant.
Of course.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll use git bash to create the repo. Right.
Me too, thanks.
That didn't work. Updates were rejected because it contains work you do not have loaded.
We're making this a fixed size.
Oh, I've copied
I'll
it.
let you. If you add a build team member that has a long name, it might overflow, but that's an edge case that I don't want to deal with. Me too, thanks. Oh my god, this is so bad. GUI box. GUI block. Left. Comma. Object. Oh god. What, 0? Left is 2, the right is names box dot get right, and that thank you very much, have a great day. Why? Oh, did I make this like a GUI button? Oh, I'm dumb. GUI block.
You know, like the entity to like well before.
Me too. My dog needs attention. I'll be back in a second.
Okay.
Whoa, my screen just flashed. That didn't flash on stream. Alright, this looks like algebra. Welcome to coding. We'll do that. So the X and the Y. Yeah, this makes so. Friends. So the left is going to be the X. Draw X. The top is going to be draw Y. Nope, draw X. Plus column width. Look at how great this code is, Kevin. This is not memory intensive at all, I promise.
What's happening? I'm not watching your stream at the minute.
We're gonna actually wrap this in an if statement, just because we can. And it'll tell us if it actually rendered. So that's conserving a little bit of memory. If it actually renders, then we can maybe deal with it. When I get into college, I will study Java. If you wanna do programming, starting in college is not gonna be good for you. You're gonna wanna like teach yourself as much as you can outside of school. Hey Cole, how much programming have you learned in school?
Practically nothing, but I'm just doing secondary school, which is
Exactly.
you don't learn most of the computer science concepts there. So.
Really.
100% of our
You'll learn. Yeah, Kevin learns what colors trigger people in his comp sci class.
Wait, what?
Remember, he's missed the website color thing, that sheet.
I'm confused.
You dropped that in HCC.
What's happening?
Your homework. Remember when you're like, after reading this, people from these places would. Why wouldn't people like these places like red on websites or like? Right.
Was this the NEA?
I cannot. Your mic is so bad right now.
I'm using the laptop.
Don't you have a decent mic though?
I'm using my laptop's mic.
Oh, sad face. I don't know what I'm doing right. Oh, right. Click. If all this works, I'm gonna be so happy. Isn't that a great feeling when your code just like works the first time?
Very creamy with the add-on system. Oof.
It didn't take hours of troubleshooting. Not at all.
That was more like Gradle though.
Yeah. The code was fine.
Why are we using
I don't know
Gradle
if I
today?
need to switch like 70 different Gradle versions to like get stuff working.
Yeah, why are we using Gradle again?
You have to. It's like Forge. If we could use Maven, I definitely would.
Please work, please work, please work. I really hope this like super totally memory efficient thing is learning. How did you learn coding? I googled how to code. See, googling is a very important skill of a developer or a learning developer because everything you ever need is on Stack Overflow, including the answer
Or you
to
just
your
use Luton. Luton.
Oh no, it's not working.
Does it work?
Nope.
I swear that's more centered than it was last time. Did you change it?
No.
What?
No, time to... Yeah, no, it definitely is though, Kevin, you're right. There's one less column than last time. Now, why is that? Where is this? Are there errors? No.
Not gonna lie, it looks pretty good like that.
It does.
Yeah, but you realize there's like other stuff we need to add. Look at how cool the scrolling is though.
You know what?
Do you like my scrolling?
If you ignore that part, it's fine.
Do you think my scrolling's pretty cool?
It's great.
Oh yeah,
The scrolling is done through the GUI box thing class that I wrote. So like you'd basically just send it the coordinates, and you can make it be like, hey, if you're gonna render something outside the box, don't even try, right?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that.
So basically, you can make it overflow, and since like it can also just overflow and expand the box.
That's pretty cool.
Did I show you the render method? About how many items there are on it? What are all these parameters?
Wait, what? Oh yeah. You posted that.
Looks like an actual Minecraft method.
To be fair, yeah. Now, what do I do? Right, mouse clicked. Oh, yep, I know what I need to do. Divided by resolution, util, current, scale factor. These mouse coordinates that you click on are, I believe, are absolutes, or like actual things. Nope, I was lying. Mouse x dot south, mouse y dot south. So this should be like 0, 0. Yeah. It should be like a lot. Yeah. It's kind of concerning though that it, like, is centered because it shouldn't be, but it also just like works better. Like this looks way better, right? Doesn't it?
Jesus Christ, your resolution.
What? I have a 4K monitor. I have like 5 times scaling on Minecraft. Like this, I edited it and jumped it up 3 from large.
Your monitor's like 10 of my monitors stuck together.
What is your resolution?
It's like 1080.
That's 4 of yours.
See, that's close enough.
I guess. The real question is, why can't I click? Why did it just pass over this breakpoint and not stop? Hello? Why is it passing over my breakpoints and not stopping? Kevin? Oh, maybe because I need to click? It'd probably help if I actually, like, yeah. Oh, this is not smart. I'm doing this all connected to a server. Watch me get myself watchdog banned. List. Kevin, do you know how to step out, like, completely? Just like, yay, run this program again. I don't want to have to click again. No.
Wait, what? Sorry, I was like falling asleep. What did you say?
I took out, like I say, I took out the break, and I timed out of Hypixel. God damn it.
God.
Probably not great.
You probably should go on single player for this anyway.
Oh, no, I think I've broken the Netty session within my client, so yeah. Network applications do not like to be held like that. Because it pauses schedule. Yeah, no, my game stopped responding. Because it pauses schedulers and things like that. That, like, they need to, like, flush themselves out. And then, like, bad things happen. But, if I learned one thing, it is that this is off. Draw Y. Draw Y plus friends box. Friend block. Get top. Will it come out before Cheap Breaker? I don't know. Oh. I think your keybind system is kind of broken.
What, I mean, just activating in the GUI?
No, I'm pressing a different key. I press the G key, which is my key, and it, like, goes. Toggle sprint activates, right?
Yeah, that's really weird. Let me test it.
Where's the... I think I messed up the is mouse over check. Is mouse.
That's weird. G doesn't trigger it for me.
Oh, I need to be greater than... Yeah, I did. Greater than the top and less than the bottom. Watch this all work, and I just, like, messed up that one check. Oh, life's too hard. Oh, did I hit a breakpoint? No, I crashed my game. Oh, no, I did. I hit a... Oh, wait, I hit a breakpoint, which means that... Oh, that's interesting. My Y... My input Y is off. Literally everything's off. Actually, let me remove this dumb check. I'm not saying this is the cause, or that statement might be completely needed, I don't know. I think that's statement was completely needed. Yeah.
Swirl.
Maybe not though, actually. Let me... Hey, debug console. I bring it all the way over here. It's... Yeah, no. Okay, no, so yeah, we do not want to be dividing, I don't think. That's not where I wanted to stop. I want to stop here. What did I just do? I want a breakpoint there. Friend block. That's good. Early release beta on stream. No, give us a few weeks. Why is life difficult? Man, both the developers are muted, just listening to me cry.
Like the speed of sound, feet can keep on the ground.
And just like, did I get it? Should be, yeah.
Keep moving like a bullet train, like a bullet train.
It's definitely between those two, and
The speed of sound.
oh, that's bad. That's why.
Can't stay in one place. Keep moving like a bullet train.
Yep.
Like a bullet train.
I mean, it's not like it's working now, but The sort button is transparent, I know. It's like, it's the 20th time. Is that the reason? Oh, right, you're right, sorry. What did I... Thank you. Yeah, well, no, we do have, look, we do have alpha blended buttons, look. See, yeah, okay, yeah. They are just alpha blended, but thank you. I'm gonna make this button bigger. I wanna make it 200. I'll make it 150. That's good. When is it coming out? Yes, Kevin, 2017. Right, see, it won't let you scroll up further. Oh, look, it's wrapping. You can try to scroll up. Why do these all have the same hash code? Oh, that actually makes sense. No, yeah, that makes sense if they have the same hash code because the cache is down for a second. Yeah, what else do we... What if we remove this check? Oh, is this just like off the screen? No, it's straight up just like isn't working. Why isn't this working? Hello? Click the last item, right? We're gonna make this like not here. How about this? Get rid of this, and then we're going to go to mouse input, mouse clicks. Oh, that would be why. And of course now it works. And of course it would only want it to be 8K. We'll fix this. Oh, that's an issue. Yeah, we're gonna want to do some fun stuff now to reset that. If so we're gonna actually need to track this. We have selected item dot get object dot equals object, and we just set selected item equals that to reset its location, and now we're gonna need to modify the selected item equals object.
Don't tie me down, 'cause I never stay. You don't own me. I'm not just one of your many toys. You don't own me. Don't say I can't go with other boys.
Well, let's go. But I'm Gerald, and I can always have just what I want. She's the baddest, I would love to flaunt. Take a shot, but you know Yves Saint Laurent. But no, she ain't with it though. All because she got her own dough. Boss, if you don't know, she can never ever be a broke boy.
You don't own me. Don't try to change me in any way. You don't own me. Don't tie me down, 'cause I never stay. You don't own me. I'm not just one of your many toys.
Really though, honestly, I get bored of basic. She's the baddest, straight up vicious. Texting her and asking her if she's alone. And send some pictures. She said no. But goddamn, she said come over and see it for yourself. Never asking for your help. Independent woman, she ain't for the shelf. No, she's the one. Smoke with her until the stand up until we see the sun. The baddest ever. Swear she
That
do it
should
better
work
than I
now.
ever seen it done.
So that'll scroll it, but if it's off the screen, we need to add region checks on that. Add region checks. If box dot box that get top. Get rid of that. Well, the coding stream hashtag Google Earth. Is your verified? Go to channel. How do you get verified with 21 subscribers? What? Yes, he is. Clearly says verified on both his channel and tier. Yeah. And
I still wanna be a spaceman, explore a distant land,
so yeah, now we added region checks. Let's check.
unfold the master plan. And we say jump and they say how high. I wanna soar across the sky. The revolution is a resource, and we got enough started up. Countdown to the scientists.
about that one. Oh, I'm getting throttled by Mojang.
I still wanna be a spaceman. Show the people that we can make a magic inescapable. Rewrite the master plan. When I say jump, I don't think how high. I got the starlight in my eyes. This revolution is a resource, and we got enough starting up. Countdown to the scientists.
Yeah, okay, that's good. Now we need to optimize the... I say we just draw a red box around them. That sounds like a great plan. Box dot set left. We don't want to do that. We want that to already be done for us. No, never mind. We need to.
Revolution is a resource, and we got enough starting up. Countdown to the scientists.
That should work. And bottom left. Left top. Bottom is also top. Top. Right. It's gonna be right and top as well. Color.red.getRGB. Left, top, bottom. Instead of right, we need left again. And then we do the same thing here, but instead of we put right. Okay, I messed something up because I only switched to one of that one time, but I don't know. Yeah, no. Alright. Oh, this is... This also needs to be bottom. Oh, that's it. That just broke everything. Top, +1. I don't know, maybe it needs some depth to it. Okay, yeah, that was the answer. Alright, yeah, this also...
white, Hispanic, Asian, Persian persuasion. This happens often, but ain't basic occasionally. I turn that 1-on-1 to 3, it's amazing. I came up from nothing.
Okay, yeah, this is good.
Like it's the motto. We with different models, with different problems and gifted bottles. We got 50 bottles and nails is polished. It's from Chicago. When we from the projects, projected to never see a dollar.
New world, all the bad boys and the new girls. It's a new world.
Change this to the left.
Yeah, we coming on. Yeah, we coming on.
Oh, but this doesn't make thick lines.
We just wanna live. I'm about to come on with the click.
Oh, hey, that's pretty good.
Yeah, we coming on. Yeah, we coming on.
Although these don't connect fully. That's what I didn't want to happen. The one that renders, thank you for subscribing, the one that renders on the left is not what we want. Okay, yeah, my stream froze a while ago. Okay, yeah, I am reading chat now. My stream froze after I said the 2 is verified. And I'm like, why is my viewer counts remain so stolid? If I change it to +1, that fixed it. Okay, yeah, and I changed the rate to be -1. Now, okay, now it's good. But yeah, I.
Cooler than Coolio, stay in that studio. Flyer than Peter Pan when I'm pushing that Rufio. It's that Stone Mountain CEO. Wishing that you was me. Girls on a tour bus, keep that ratio to
Yeah, see, so now you can go like this. So you can like. Oh. I thought I had a check. Oh, I deleted it. If top is greater than... Can you let me beta test now? There's literally no way. Like, top... Like, there's no way I can get it out to you. I don't have the build script. I don't even know how to build it. Render top bounds. Greater than or equal to...
Wait till the beat go in.
Less than or equal to bottom bound. That should add the proper check. Yep, and let's confirm at the top on the like. Alright, good. Yeah. Sort by alphabetical rank. I don't know why it like does that. Like, oh, it removes agent kid for some reason. No, it doesn't work. Oh, when it updates. I need to call reset on it before I sort.
Shotgun, blast that when I pass through, when I do things in that UK and I fucks man with that flux man. Be no flow so honest, your check ain't got no commas, but I ain't got no worries like a tell my baby.
I don't know, let's just put reset there and see if it does anything.
Told y'all I would blow up, that shit happened like I said so. You see it, I got it. I want it, I buy it. I do it, you trying. It's your girl, you lying. Let the head out when the beat go in. I'ma wait till the beat go in. We so sophisticated. Shout out to those who hate it. Kill a rapper, try and spit at me, that's suicide.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at this.
And royalty is do or die.
It was Agent Bingmo. Who's the last person? HyperX in there. Oh, this is just a raise being sorted though. There's not much I can do about that. I could make it, actually I can do a lot.
I'ma wait till the beat go in.
Run that before it. Yeah, alright, that works. Hello. Well, right now it's alphabetical, so it's how it would appear in the lobby. Ugh. Alright. Now what? Now we need to add something that's like... Yeah, we're just gonna put it on this side. I want to make the render right bound to whatever this button is, so 200 less. Render right bound, render right. What did I make this button? 153? Please don't change anything. Oh, it's gonna make this a single name though, yeah. Ooh. I'm gonna back off from that, because this is more than enough space. So we're gonna make it 150 maybe. It's going great. How do all these people get, like... I don't understand. Alright. Hey, you have subs and you get views? It's going great. Thank you. So when... It should still be showing one, though. That's the thing. There's more than enough space. Time to bring out that gross method that... Where's my render method? Draw X. Gets increased by a column width each time. So if the column width is greater than the right side, which is defined as friends block. Since when can you code Java? And I've coded it for 4 years. That's the left, this is the right. Scaled width. Oh, I just set this to 100. Still not enough? Okay, yeah. What's this button width, though? Button's width is 150. The button is 150 pixels off the wall. Oh, it needs space for like a full row, that's the thing. Yeah, that makes sense, actually. The row goes out to here. Here's where the row goes out, yeah, because the hitbox is out here. That makes sense. What about a 1080? How does this work? How does this look at 1080? Because that's what most people are going to be using. Oh, not great. What if we change our GUI scale to normal? Oh, then that works really well. Normal GUI scale at 4K, anyone? Oh my god. See, this is why I need GUI scale 5. Oh. Oh, wrong channel in Discord. What is HCC? Hypixel community client, basically a client that me and a few other developers are making. This still works. This is fantastic. No, but yeah, at normal GUI scale, this works fine. What if you have like a 720p monitor? Still, yeah, still 3 rows, that's acceptable. So the first thing that we want in this box now, selected box, names block, currently selected.
Survive, and I'm not scared of your stolen power. See right through you anyhow.
Alright, I'm back. Family came in. X offset is... We'd set that to be 0, but then I would center it and put it outside. So we want the names block dot get width divided by 2. The Y offset to be 1 true and true. And color we'll just do red for now. I have no idea what this song is. That's what happens when you listen to YouTube auto-generated playlists for too long. Just get really weird. Currently selected, yes. And now you can like... so shift clicking these people puts them in the selected window. Did my thing freeze? Probably. Yep, it did. I don't know why my live dashboard's been freezing. Thank you, YouTube, for making a platform that works. I appreciate it. Let me go back up. I missed the messages. Oh, yeah. Using NoSQL whatever for data. I use my website uses Mongo on its end, and all this stuff is just stored in Mongo, and the client pulls it. I don't know, because I'm just using this API that Cole and for the actual like MCP stuff. Cole and someone else are, I'm gonna disconnect from this because they want Cole and Kevin are making it, and I'm just like doing it with them. So I'm like, sure. Shift click to add, we'll say shift click to add. So, and then when they add it, we're gonna make it, yeah. Like, what are you trying to make? Well, right now this is like a better thing to be your friends in Hypixel because the current system's bad. So this is gonna be a window where you can just like manage them. So like here you can be like this party. So like we're gonna add the shift click thing. When you click on them with shift, it is going to toggle them in and out. If keyboard is key down, keyboard shift. Do that up. So we want to selected That's good. And we want to make the selected box actually. This might take some math. Yeah, it's gonna be like really annoying to do, but that's fine. What do you do to your computer when you take screenshots? I use ShareX. Oh, is it giving you a pop-up? I mean, for some things it will, for other things it won't, because we're gonna be like, have messaging through the system. So you can like, you can have a chat window with someone, and like, this entire thing becomes just like a chat window. You have all of your messages, like, messaging Skier, Hypixel, Technoblade, everyone just on the left side, and then you can click on them and manage your messages. Maybe save them between runs. But I'm gonna have to go in a second because it's dinner here. I've been working on this for 2 hours. Selected box equals new. I'm gonna just rip this code off of here. Yeah. Except we're gonna need to rip it off of that, which we know the dimensions of. Where is mouse clicked? Here it is. Thank you for subscribing. The right side of this box is going to be... We're gonna actually make this a constant, whatever this dude is. We're gonna make this a... I'm gonna make column with a variable, globally. Oh no, no, what am I doing? Split into declaration and assignment. Like that. And now it's available globally. Isn't that nice? Column width. 1 times the row times 11. And what is the row gonna be? Row is gonna be selected boxes dot size. And the object is going to be selected box dot get object. I'm gonna need to reboot my game. Where I'm going to continue the last classes for the core and website. What? We're going to continue the last classes for the core and to website with Plank. Oh, you're working on a website with Plank? I need to fix that stuttering, and I crashed. Oh. Right, that makes sense. Is toggle sprint an old animations mod? Probably not old animations. We'll have a 1.7 animations, but old animations is like super bad. Like, they just like super mess with everything analoging and too many times. I love Mojang. An old lead I worked with here before I worked with Agent Kid. Oh. It's on like 2. Oh, okay. I did not know that. Yeah, the network's fun to work with. From what I've heard, things are great. Give it a second, and hopefully we can shift click things in. Size +1 for all of these. But why is my box... Like when I shift click, my box isn't working. Any tips to learn programming? You gotta just do it, right? There's not really tips to it. You just gotta get out there and do it. Oh, yeah.
I'm from the east side of America, where we choose pride over character, and we can pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is. I live on the west side of America, where they spin lies into fairy dust, and we can pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is. And don't believe the narcissism, when everyone projects and expects you to listen to them. Make no mistake, I live in a prison that I built myself, it is my religion.
Now we need a way of removing these.
That I am the sick boy, easy to say when you
What
don't
is...
take the risk, boy.
My mouse is over here. Alright, welcome to Windows 10.
United under our indifference. And I'm from the east side of America.
Is that black line in the... Oh.
And we can pick sides, but this is us, this is us, this is. I live on the west side of America, where they spin lies into fairy dust. And we can pick sides, but this is us, this is us.
Selected. Selected dot remove.
Don't believe the narcissism when everyone projects and expects you to listen to them. Make no mistake, I live in a prison that I built myself, it is my religion. And they say that I am the sick boy, easy to say when you don't take the risk, boy. Welcome to
That's going to be a concurrent modification exception.
under our indifference. Feed yourself with my life's work. How many likes is my life worth? Feed yourself with my life's work. How many likes is my life worth? Feed yourself with my life's work. How many likes is my life worth?
Okay, that's fine.
Feed yourself on my life's work. How many likes is my life worth? I'm from the east side of America. I live on the west side of America.
I feel like my stream froze again. Yeah, it did. I'm refreshing. Am I out of memory? Task manager. No. Yeah, I don't know. Things are broken. I have so much free RAM. I don't know how it can be. Everything's loading in. Which is new GUI box. The top. Okay. That's not, that wouldn't work either. Because we need to offset this by however many things we have, which selected boxes here would be name block.get top plus, because these can't be relative. Will prevent a concurrent modification exception. Okay, yeah, true, but I don't know. That's just also just a waste. That's also just like super memory intensive. Why do you need 64 gigs of RAM? Coding workstation, my dude, and YouTube, everything. What else? What's the... Render top bound, which is 50. We're gonna move this out here. Alright, this is super messy now. It's okay. Did you hear about that coding stream that people understood? Some people do. Developers would understand. I don't know. Rather be talking to people. Having some somewhat social interaction. Instead of just sitting on my computer. Alright, yeah, so I, like, need to go, because it's dinner, but if this works... Oh my god. It shouldn't draw the red box around him. That's what I know. Right? Because, yeah, this doesn't. From two to column width. From 2 to column width, that's the X location of this. Amount of currently selected boxes, or selected boxes, selected. That's what I want. Oh, I need to add a check if they're already in there. If selected box, selected dot contains selected box dot get key. Continue. There we go. That'll stop the duplication addings. I was going to tweet about learning to code 2 weeks ago. I have a lot of people doing that. Alright, I'm gonna debug this later. Bye guys.